What's up, my dudes? It's Whitney Savageau, and I'm going to do a review on MySmile teeth whitening kit. I've seen it everywhere. Everyone else has seen it everywhere. I actually gave it a try, but this isn't the high smile. I got mine off Amazon because it was cheaper, and I have Prime, so I get free shipping. It's a pretty cute kit. I'll put a video in of what it contains and all that fun stuff. The whole kit comes like this, cute little box. Obviously, some of my treatments are gone. This is the last one. It still has 3 treatments left. It also comes with this little envelope containing your color chart and then some directions. And then you get these little guys that attach to the end of this, so you can more easily fill your teeth whitening tray. And this little light, it'll beep like that when your session is finished. And the light attaches here on the inside. So yeah, and it comes, the box is nice, it's a little magnet, keep everything from falling out. And this one from Amazon was about $25, I think. I'll have to double check. And the other high smile instead of MySmile is like $65 or something like that. The ingredients are pretty much the same. I looked them up. Personally, I'd go with this unless you want to pay more. It doesn't make your teeth sensitive like most whitening, which always sucks because then they hurt for like days and then you can't drink anything or eat anything for an hour, which is most products, and this one is the same. Nothing that stains chocolate, coffee, tea, such. But my teeth started at about a 13. And now I would say they're about maybe 5'4" after like 6 treatments. I think that's pretty good. And if there's anything you want to know, go ahead and ask.